a very good tool. The idea is to put this the rice deep in the egg on the top and take it to the barbecue. So we are going to do that. You put the fork inside, you dip it. Whoop. That's not good. That's not good.
It's good.
That's not good. Then you wait and you put it here.
ใส่ไปได้เย
Okay.
อะ
Now next one. I hope I don't do the same mistake. Okay. The rice. You dip it. You wait to drip it. There. Out. Now this one. Next. Good. Out. Next one. Dip in the egg. Out. Next one. Dip on the egg.
ไม่นะ
Let's accommodate this a little bit better. Yeah. Okay.
ให้อีกก้อนหนึ่งก็พอละ
Yeah, the first round we are going to take this to the barbecue, okay?
ไปบาร์บีคิวนะ
Yeah, we take it to the barbecue now.
โปรเฟชชั่นอล
ลงไปร้อนด้วย
Now you understand why the tool is so good. Oh.
เอาเป็นซีดของ
Yeah.
กันเอากี่ซีด
Now, after the cooking finish, it's going to be crunchy. This is the way it has to look for you to realize that it's ready. As you can see, very crunchy on the outside and cook in the inside. You see, both sides. It's very delicious.
เขาบอกว่า
Good.
หมูยอกับ
Now we are ready to eat it. Of course, with the most special part of the day when you enjoy your coffee. Ah, delicious. And now let's eat it. Mmm.
เผื่อมีเมียอีสานจะได้ทำก็เป็น
กล้าจีได้เลย
เอาไอ้เหมือนเขาลูก
ลีแล้วเหยียดเป็น
นี่
น่า